So hey guys, this is another video. I am purposely filming in low light here outside actually, because I want to talk about getting the shot. What do I mean with that is, well, literally, it doesn't matter what time of day it is or what time of night or anything. Just go out, get the shot whenever you need it, whenever you are inspired to, record something, then just go out, press the record button. So what do I mean with getting the footage? From getting the footage, I really genuinely mean, first of all, I hate filming in public. So at night, automatically there's going to be less people. During the day, there's a lot of people walking through this town. And, well, it's actually a city, but yeah, there's a lot of people walking through the city. And right now, it's quiet. There's just a single car there. There's like one or two people, walking by, sometimes. And sometimes, I can just turn off the camera and then just, wait, 2-3 minutes and I can record again. And that's what I mean is, sometimes it's better to record at night with lower light and have a little bit of grainier footage, as long as your voice comes out cleaner and more natural, instead of I'm afraid, of, filming and everything. So sometimes it's better to actually record at night in lower light and, find yourself a spotlight down. Here I have this little floor light that I found, and it's lighting up my face nicely. In the end, it's you who's telling the story, and the way how you say the story the best way, that is up to you. Right now, I found this street light, and it's lighting up my face a little bit from the top, and it's a little bit of a different scene, you can go to places, where there's a little bit of a light, go find a quiet spot, go find yourself a nice place where you can just sit down or stand up, the way how you want to tell your story. And that's the most important, is the way how you tell your story. That's who you are. And, I personally hate telling the story when there's a bunch of people, when there's hundreds of people, around me. I'm like an introvert until I get to know you. I'm kind of a little bit of both. So we'll get into that in another video. That's what I'm trying to tell you is right now, I saw it's a little bit quiet outside. I get to, make a video outside now instead of inside all the time. So yeah, go make your video, the way how you want it to be. As long as you're relaxed, at least, some people are very shy on camera, I was shy on camera the first time, but I still sometimes get shy on camera when I'm surrounded with a lot of people. And then when I'm surrounded with a lot of people, I don't get to, stay on topic, or, I want to rush things. And when I rush things, it gets hard. And when it gets hard for me to speak, then the story doesn't come out as clean as it should be. So find a quiet place, whether that's at night. If you like a lot of people, some people like to really record in the day. And sometimes, you still have to sacrifice that, and you actually have to record it in the day because of it's hard for you to find a quiet spot because you only have a limited time of being in that location. So that being said is be you, be yourself on making videos and stuff like that. You have a voice, you have a story that only you know, and you only know how to say it. Whether that's in your bedroom the whole time, great. Whether that's outside, great, but it's you who makes the content. You're the boss of, your content. And that's what I'm trying to tell you. And anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay living every day as if it's your last day, because we never know when it's our last day. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.